Okay guys, quick tutorial. To draw your fib in an uptrend, you're going to draw it from the bottom to the top. Okay, so kind of like drawing a trend line. When you draw a trend line, you draw your trend line going up, right? You're going to do the same thing for your fib. So from the bottom to the top, swing low to swing high. Now, if you're looking for a sell, you're going to draw it from the top to the bottom. Now, let me explain what you're looking for here. The reason why you want to do that is because remember, this tool measures pullbacks. So what you want is the market will be coming down like this, right? You've drawn it right here where it's anchored. Now the market is pulling back. You have certain areas or retracement levels that your particular pair or ticker will like to pull back to. So what you want to do is see if the market starts to show rejection. Okay, you want to see where price action rejects that level if you were going down. And then you would take it down to your ideal TP areas. I like to use 0 as my first TP and minus 22nd as my final TP. If it makes its way down here, awesome, okay? But the goal of this is to be able to identify the retracement or the pullback of the impulse. So now let's do a buy real quick. Again, for a buy, it's from low to high. And the reason being is because the market, right, has pushed up. And now I'm waiting for it to come back and pull back to one of my levels. Everybody's levels are different. This is what I use, okay? Once you see price action rejecting it, maybe sometimes you'll see like a wick at the bottom of the candle showing major rejection. That's usually your indication to take the trade. Again, you have either your TP right here, which is market structure, or minus 27. Oops, excuse me. And that is how you draw a fib in a nutshell. These are my fib settings. Feel free to screenshot this or copy them. And there you go, guys. Good luck.